Hello, I am Dr. Sridevi. Today we can know about oil pulling, the procedure which is a part of Dinacharya mentioned in Ayurveda. What is oil pulling? Oil pulling is the ancient Ayurvedic daily practice. Ayurveda, the ancient saga of life, advocates healthy lifestyle in its core principles. Dinacharya, the daily regimen explained by Acharya Vagbhada in the text Ashtanga Hridaya, describes oil pulling by the names of Gandusha and Kabala as procedures to maintain a healthy oral cavity and body as a whole. Gandusha is holding the medicinal decoction or oil in the oral cavity for a specified duration of time, whereas Kabala is same as the gargling procedure we do occasionally. Gandusha, based on its therapeutic benefits, is of four types: Snigdha Gandusha, Shamana Gandusha, Shodhana Gandusha, and Ropana Gandusha. Snigdha Gandusha. The word Snigdha is originated from Sneha, meaning to provide unctuousness. Vata dosha, having dry, rough qualities, is specified by smooth, unctuous taila or grita used here. Medicines having unctuous quality and hot potency are used for Snigdha Gandusha. Then what is Shamana Gandusha? The word Shamana means to pacify the aggravated doshas, mainly Pitta and Rakta, having heat as quality. Therefore, for pacifying these doshas, drugs having sweet taste and cold potency are used. What is Shodhana Gandusha? The word Shodhana means to expel out vitiated doshas out of the body. Drugs having acrid, sour, salty taste and hot penetrating properties are made into decoction form and used to achieve Shodhana. Mainly vitiated Kapha dosha having cold, heavy nature is expelled out through Shodhana Gandusha. Then what is Ropana Gandusha? The word Ropana means healing, especially wound healing. Bitter drugs are used to achieve wound healing faster in this type of Gandusha. For daily use, sesame oil can be used for oil pulling. This strengthens the teeth, gum, and jawbone. This, when daily practiced, ensures overall healthy oral cavity. For loose teeth, sensitive teeth, and other diseases of the oral cavity caused due to vata vitiation, lukewarm or cold water mixed with paste of sesame seed is used. In mouth ulcer, gum diseases, burn-like injuries, oil pulling is to be done with ghee or milk, which pacifies pitta and its hotness. In case of mouth ulcers and to reduce burning sensation, thirst, and to cleanse the oral cavity, honey is used. Who all should do oil pulling? Those having diseases pertaining to head, neck, eyes, ears, oral cavity are eligible for oil pulling treatment. Specifically useful in cases of mouth and tongue ulcers, tonsillitis, throat pain, laryngitis, gum inflammation, etc. When to do oil pulling? Oil pulling can be done in the daytime, preferably morning time after cleaning the teeth, voiding of urine and feces. How to do oil pulling? Abhyanga oil massage is done on the face and neck of the patient in supine position, and then mild Svedana fomentation is given by wiping the area with a hot cloth. The patient is then allowed to sit on a knee-high chair. The medicated oil is heated to a degree slightly more than room temperature so that he can withstand when poured in oral cavity. This is done by placing the oil in a small vessel which is kept in hot water. The quantity of oil retained can be half of the mouth or less than that depending on the therapeutic effect needed. The oil should be kept in the mouth undisturbed until secretions of mouth, nose and eyes get released out. After appearance of these symptoms, the oil can be spit out. The oil should not be swallowed. After this procedure, depending on the dosha vitiation, mouth is to be washed with hot or cold water. Medicines used for oil pulling includes Tiladaila, the sesame oil, Arimedadi Taila, meat essence, milk, honey, water mixed with alkali, hot water, or Triflaxaya. Kabala also can be done in similar situations and cases except the procedure. Procedure of Kabala includes gargling and moving of medicine content in mouth in between throat and cheeks. Thank you for watching this video. I will come up with more videos like this. If you are interested to hear more, please comment here and subscribe my channel. Thank you.